In this session, let's ask ChatGPT to create a summary of a blog post. I'm referring to the blog post in C4AI website. This is on predictive maintenance. Okay, so let's ask ChatGPT first. Can you provide a summary of blog post? Let's ask this question. Let's see what it has to say. I'm sorry, but I'm unable to browse the web or access specific blog post. Is there a specific topic you would like to know more or have summarized? It says it cannot do. However, I asked the same question a while back. Let's see what it provided. See this? Create a summary from, I've given the link to the blog post. It says, it provides a summary. I'm obviously not satisfied with the summary, so I'm going to give a thumbs down. Okay, this is not helpful. So let's give the feedback. Okay, so we will help the ChatGPT to learn. Because a key aspect of my blog post is about a specific use case. Okay, how a downtime reduced by 61%, okay, nearly 2/3 by predictive maintenance solution. No reference to that data point is there in the summary. So what ChatGPT has done is it has read, this blog is about predictive maintenance, so it has provided an article or a few lines about predictive maintenance. So this is really not a summary. Okay. So when I ask, now, remember this is something I asked, about 30 minutes back, right? Now I ask this question. It says, "I'm sorry, I'm unable to browse the web or access the blog post." Right? What does it mean? Remember, ChatGPT is still work in progress. Okay, it's got a lot of potential, but it has got a long way to go. Okay, it cannot unfortunately access blog posts and get us a summary. Okay, all it can do is it can provide summary if an article is provided, right? If let's say I type out 100 word article and ask it to say create a 15-page summary, a 15-word summary, it can do. Okay, I can even ask ChatGPT to suggest a title, it can do, but it cannot access the web or specific blog posts. Please note this. I also asked whether ChatGPT can provide a description of a YouTube video. I get a similar response. The same response that I got when I asked for a summary of blog post, right? Now I'm going to ask create a summary of the below. Okay, so this is from the blog post. Okay, and I'm asking create a, let's be specific, 30-word summary of the below. Okay, so this is the content from this particular blog post. So I have copied and I have pasted here, and I'm saying create a 30-word summary of the below, and let's ask ChatGPT. Looks like more than 30 words, no? Is it 30 words or is it less? Definitely more than 30 words, because the first line itself contains about 9 or 10 words, right? So this is nearly a 65 word summary, but what we asked is a 30-word summary. Okay, so understand there are limitations to what ChatGPT can do. It has provided a summary, okay, but it is unable to provide a 30-word summary. Now let's ask create a 3-line summary of the below. Let's copy this and ask. Okay, let's copy this. Create a 3-line summary of the below instead of word. See what it comes up with. 3-line summary. Okay, that is, a summary should have only 3 lines. Let's ask and see what it comes up with. See, there are more than 3 lines, right? But the number of lines is fewer now. Okay, now let's ask one more question. Create a summary of the below, and let's indicate the summary should have only 30 words. Let's ask like this and see what ChatGPT comes up with. Remember, we are specifically given. No, it is unable to identify. Or is it only 30 words? Let's count and see. No, it is actually more than 30 words. In fact, about 40 words or so. Right? As I said earlier, ChatGPT is still work in progress. A lot of potential is there. We can still use it with the current set of limitations. Okay.